If you had invested just $1,000 with Warren Buffett in 1965, it would be worth over $28 million today. But what if you could invest like him right now? Today, we're breaking down Warren Buffett's latest stock portfolio, his biggest bets, surprising moves, and the investment strategy that made him a billionaire. Buffett doesn't chase trends. He focuses on value investing. He buys companies with strong financials, competitive advantages, and long-term potential. His famous quote is, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful." Now, let's look at what Buffett is buying and holding in 2025. Buffett's biggest holdings in 2025. Apple remains Buffett's largest investment. Even after selling 25% of his Apple shares in 2024, he still holds over $72 billion in Apple stock. Apple isn't just a tech company. It's a money-making machine with billions in free cash flow, strong customer loyalty, and a business model that keeps growing. American Express, a decades-long bet. American Express has been in Buffett's portfolio since the 1960s. This company generates billions through transaction fees and lending services. Buffett loves its ability to make money regardless of market conditions. He hasn't sold a single share in over a decade. Bank of America, Buffett's favorite bank stock. Despite fears of a banking crisis, Buffett is sticking with Bank of America. He sees the financial sector as a critical part of the economy, and Bank of America pays him millions in dividends every year. It's a classic Buffett move. Buy when others are scared. Coca-Cola, Buffett's timeless investment. Buffett has held Coca-Cola stock since the 1980s because it is one of the most recognizable brands in the world. Plus, it pays him billions in dividends over time. This is a perfect example of Buffett's belief in buying businesses with strong brand loyalty. Chevron, Buffett's energy. Bet energy stocks may seem volatile, but Buffett is still betting big on Chevron. The energy sector continues to be a cash cow, especially with global energy demand rising. Chevron's dividends alone make it a strong income-generating stock in Buffett's eyes. Stocks Buffett is buying and selling. Buying more Occidental Petroleum. In 2024 and 2025, Buffett increased his stake in Occidental Petroleum, signaling confidence in the oil and gas industry, investing in home builders. NVR Inc. as Buffett made a surprising move into the home building sector by investing in NVR Inc., possibly preparing for a real estate boom. Selling Apple stock, a shocking move. Buffett reduced his holdings in Apple, selling 25% of his shares, which shocked many investors. Lessons from Buffett's investment strategy. Buffett never makes quick trades. He holds onto strong businesses for decades. He takes advantage of downturns to buy great stocks at cheap prices. He only buys companies he believes in. No speculation, just solid fundamentals. Buffett's portfolio gives us a roadmap for smart investing. Let me know in the comments. What do you think about Buffett's latest moves? Will you follow his lead or go your own way?